Hey guys, Mike from Lakeshore RV here today with the Keystone Passport GT Series 2700. This is a 2023 model coming in priced at $37,997 or about $295 a month. I handle all the financing here at Lakeshore with our nationwide financing. I do have shipping to your doorstep, so it doesn't matter if you're in Michigan, California, New York, Texas, we have you covered. Guys, I look forward to hearing from you. Please call or text me, 231-215-2750. If I'm not available, I have plenty of coworkers who can also be reached here at the store, 231-788-2040, or check out our inventory on the web. That is lakeshore-rv.com. Look forward to hearing from you. Let's check this thing out. Towability on this camper, it's 6,500 pounds dry and it's about 32 feet total length, tongue to bumper. Half-ton truck should pull this thing no problem. Tons and tons and tons of open space in this camper. Great concept for a couples camper. Guys, thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing from you. Reach out to me personally, 231-215-2750. Try us out at the store, 231-788-2040, or shop our inventory on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. And again, we're gonna handle all the financing. We do nationwide financing, and we also ship to your door. I can't wait to hear from you and do some business. Thanks, guys.